Good morning, children. Today we are solving some more problems in trigonometric identities. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Here LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. We will take sin theta common in numerator. Sin theta of 1 minus 2 sin square theta by, here cos theta common, of 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is equal to sin theta of 1 minus 2. This is sin square I am writing 1 minus cos square theta using first identity by cos theta into 2 my cos square theta minus 1. Now sin theta into 1 minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two are same, so will get cancelled. So that is equal to sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Next problem. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Here LHS is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. It is in A plus B whole square form. This is also in the same form. So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Now let us expand the second one. Cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A. Now I am writing sin square A plus this cos square A together. Sin square A plus cos square A plus sin A and cosec A reciprocals. In the same way cos and secant reciprocals. So 2 plus this cosec square A plus secant square A. Now identity 1, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 4 plus cosec square A plus secant square A. This is equal to 5 plus this cosec square A can be written as cot square A plus this secant square A written as 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A, that is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. In this one, we used all the three identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, that is first identity. 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A is second identity. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A is third identity. Next problem. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. LHS cosec A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. This is equal to cosec theta 1 by sin theta minus sin A. In the same way, secant 1 by cos minus cos A. This is equal to 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. We know it. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square by cos A. This cos A, this is square, cut. This is square, this is sin A, cut. Now we have sin A into cos A. This is LHS. RHS, that is 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to 1 by tan sin by cos, cot cos by sin. This is equal to 1 by sin square A plus cos square A by sin A into cos A, LCM. That is equal to 1 by sin A cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is equal to sin A into cos A. LHS is sin A into cos A. RHS is also sin A into cos A. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. Next sum. Prove that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. First we will take 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. From this we have to bring tan square A. This is equal to 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot, reciprocal of tan. So we can write it 1 by tan square A. Numerator is the same, 1 plus tan square A. Denominator taking LCM. LCM is tan square A. Cross multiplication. Tan square A plus 1. Now 1 plus tan square A into, it will become the reciprocal, that is equal to tan square A by tan square A plus 1. These two are same, so we will get cancelled. That is equal to tan square A. Now we will take this one, 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square, that is equal to 1 minus tan A by this cot. I am writing 1 by tan whole square, that is equal to 1 minus tan A by taking LCM, tan A minus 1 by tan A whole square. This is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan A minus 1 tan A by tan A minus 1 whole square. These two are will get cancelled into minus 1. Tan A minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1 minus tan A. Minus 1 into tan A, that is equal to minus tan A whole square, that which is equal to tan square A. Hence proved. Next problem. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. Here LHS is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. I am writing tan sin theta by cos theta. This is sin theta by cos theta. 1 minus cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Plus, here also cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. This is equal to sin theta by cos theta by taking LCM. LCM is sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta by sin theta by, here also taking LCM, that is cos theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Now, numerator is sin theta by cos theta. Here denominator will become the reciprocal. So it is sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Here it is plus sign. Plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is equal to sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now, first expression is the same. Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Second expression, cos square theta by sin theta into this cos theta minus sin theta. I will write sin theta minus cos theta. Then here plus sign will become minus. Why we are writing this cos theta minus sin theta as a sin theta minus cos theta? Here in the first expression in denominator we have sin theta minus cos theta. In the second expression also in denominator we have sin theta minus cos theta. So to take common, it is in denominator. So 1 by sin theta minus cos theta common. Now left sin square theta by cos theta minus, this is cos square theta by sin theta. This is equal to 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into, it is sin square by cos minus cos square by sin. Denominators are different. So let us take LCM, that is sin theta into cos theta. Sin into sin square, sin cube theta. Cos into cos square, cos cube theta. Now, 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into, now sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, it is in a cube minus b cube form, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab by sin theta into cos theta. A cube minus b cube, we are writing a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now this is sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta will get cancelled. Now that is equal to sin square plus cos square plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. That is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Now splitting the denominator, that is equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. These two will get cancelled. That is equal to 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta plus 1. 1 by sin is cosec. 1 by cos is secant plus 1, that is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next problem. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Here LHS is cosec A cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now answer is in cosec and cot. Suppose if we divide each term of the numerator and denominator by sin, we will get cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A, dividing each term by sin A. In the same way in denominator, sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. This is equal to cos by sin cot A minus sin by sin 1. 1 by sin cosec. In the same way in denominator, cos by sin cot, sin by sin 1, 1 by sin cosec. I am writing it in order. Cosec A plus cot A minus 1 by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Numerator I wrote it in order. Now denominator is same, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Numerator cosec A plus cot A minus, here 1 is there. So we know the identity which is related to cosec A and cot A. So relation between cosec A and cot A is cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So in place of 1 we will write cosec square A minus cot square A. Denominator is same, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Numerator cosec A plus cot A minus, it is in A square minus B square form. So I am writing in A plus B into A minus B form. A plus B cosec A plus cot A. A minus B cosec A minus cot A. Now denominator is same, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. See, here cosec A plus cot A is there, here also cosec A plus cot A is there. So taking cosec A plus cot A common. If we take common, then here 1 will be left over minus this one will be left over. Minus of cosec A minus cot A. Now denominator is same, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Numerator cosec A plus cot A into 1 minus cosec A minus of minus plus cot A. See it now, 1 minus cosec A plus cot A, 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So these two are same. So this one will get cancelled. that is equal to cosec A plus cot A, that is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved.